How to change stream title on OBS. Now, this specific method is very easy. Changing titles is just around the corners. The most complex part of doing these steps is by completing the whole setup of your stream. Now, to go ahead and access your stream settings, all you have to do is to go into File on your OBS, and then access Settings. Once you're here, below you could see Stream. Simply go into the Stream field, and then under Services, this is going to be the field where you have to choose where you would like the stream to come out. Now, if the specific platform you're using is not listed one right here, all I have to do is to click on Show All and locate the streaming platform where you would like your streaming on OBS to be cast out. For example, on Twitch. In here, just simply choose on the destination where you would like account to be connected, or just simply choose on this first option here so that you will be redirected into your Twitch account. So this is what it should look like whenever you have completed the whole setup for your stream. Just simply change the title. You can also go live on notifications, change the category and tags, and then simply click on done. And that's it. It's how you change stream title on OBS.